Well, hello there, Tim Lee Legacy Studio. We're playing some more Myst V. We're on episode number 3. Let's get right into the game, where we will get lost once again, per the usual, but it will be a ton of fun, because that's what we do here. Have fun. Okay, so, where do we go from here? Won't you tell me, please? Where do we go from here? I don't know the name of the song, but I listen to it all night long. Okay. Alright. I think I'm at a little bit of a loss on what to... Ooh, wait a minute. I remember we came through here. And down here. Oh, that's right, because that goes up to... where that guy was telling us that we should go under the go and find the hole in the ground. Now, what it's going to take me back to Yisha and where I can take the tablets to. That's what I'm curious about, because that's my initial thought is you take them back to that main hub thing, where you stick them in that thing, and then it gives you the main tablet once you do that. That was my assumption anyway, but apparently not. Or else we have to get there through other means. That is a disgusting-looking wall. Yoy, that looks like teeth. That is nasty. That right there, that's nasty. That's nasty junk. Yes, it is. It's nasty junk. Someone used a real interesting texture. Okay, anything over here? No. All right, we're going this way. So, yeah. What am I supposed to do now? So, I feel like I've solved pretty much everything I can solve out here, maybe? Except that I don't have all the books. I mean, we're still missing a couple books. That was where I ended last time, is not having all the books. And then this was the thing that was coming into question next, is what do we do with the tablets? Considering we have this space... and there's really nothing else to do here. What would be the purpose of taking the tablets? With, at this moment, no place to put them. I mean, so you grab a tablet, and then... there's no idea what to do with it, except to walk around with it, which... it's a rock. It's kind of heavy. And if you don't know what you're doing with it, then why are you going to try and do that? And of course, all these markings on it sure isn't going to help anything. So, yes, I'm just running in circles while I try to think of something that doesn't make any sense and is very unpurposeful. So, let's just go explore some more. Not in this thing. We're going to go here, I guess. And we're just going to start exploring again. Because what else am I going to come up with? I don't know. We're looking for missing books. We're looking for missing books. I'm looking for a book. And then the other thing was this door. Getting into this door, even though it's broken, that was the next theory that I was wondering about. So... okay. Checking around. Making sure I'm not missing anything. There's the hole that takes us down into the fan. I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Remember that one? Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, so, oh, hello, book!
I was very young when I first felt strong. Indeed, I was young, but I thought I understood. I had many abilities, even then, but little wisdom. Better to have fewer abilities and much wisdom.
True story.
I knew I was doing something great for us. But what I did was foolish for me. I thought I was reuniting our family, bringing back what joy we once had. I almost brought an end to life. Yet again, it was a friend who came to our aid.
Hello!
Now, I think that most things cannot be returned to how they were. My brothers were not to be released, but the Maker turned my poor choice to some small good, and Aknar was redeemed.
I saved him.
My tears flow as I write these memories. The suffering and pain I have caused and endured.
Not
and
your
yet
fault.
I am thankful. I will be powerful like the Barrow. I long to be so strong. They will sing a song of thankfulness. They will sing a song without regard to their circumstances. They will stand and take time to sing to the Maker with hearts of joy. If only I could have such a heart.
All right, well, we're finding more of the important little shard thingies, so that's good. Hey, look at that. We got them all. All right. Now that we have them all, now I have no idea what I'm going to do next. What just happened? My cursor, I bumped a button, and suddenly my cursor's changed. So apparently all my settings have changed now because I bumped something. So let me go check my controls. Yep, it jumped to Classic Plus. I have no idea how I did that, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK. There we go. And we're back into the game. So, I found all the books, which means now I need to end up somewhere, I guess. I'm assuming that Winchester will probably meet us somewhere and have a little talk with us about something he's up to and tell us what to do next, because now we own all the little pieces of the books that I'm aware of, and then also we now have all the markers. So now we know what each one of these little things is supposed to do. But where are we supposed to be next? Where are we supposed to go next? Let's think from his brain, shall we? His German-sounding voice. Nothing over here. Where shall we go? Shall we go to the top? Shall we go to the bottom? I'm at a loss. This might be an edit point, future Timbo, just to let you know, because, yeah, I'm not sure what to do. Where would be the next place to go? Because I assumed that we had to get into that door to get that missing book. But now we have them all. And it's unfortunate when you get used to this. So let's check something here. If we go here and we look at our books, what I'm doing is I'm flipping through these. I'm looking for the ones with the tablets specifically. There's one.
I learned of the fearsome power I wield on that day. The day of Callum's death. In a fit of rage, I destroyed the murderer, and I destroyed my innocence.
Yeah, you did. Alright, so I have scoured my way through those books, and I only found 3 of the 4 tablets. Which immediately makes my ADHD brain begin to question if it really was 4 tablets. Or am I just remembering 4 bridges, which makes me think 4 islands, which there are 4 islands, but the 4 islands, we've only seen really like 3 options for tablets. So my brain is getting a little coerced by alternative thought. So my theory at this point is to make my way back to this way. Make my way back to this little place here. Oh, no, not here. Where's the book? Where's the book? There's the book. And my hope is that by going back there, maybe Winchester will see us again. And yes, I know his name is Escher, but, you know, I like to call him, or Ether, or whatever. I was really hoping he would appear and make himself known. Dadgummit! Okay, so maybe it would be important for me to make a couple additional notes here in my little sketchbook here. The circular one has 4 of these. 1, 2, I'm going to write this on here exactly as it is because I really would hate to get this wrong. 3 and 4. And on the opposite side, there's 1 and another one with 2 left angle marks. Okay? Okay. And I guess I'm not supposed to draw on them or anything. Okay. Let me wander to another one. Oh! Hang on, I think I just noticed something else. We'll see if I'm right, but I have a feeling I'm right. So the image just below that has the arch, and then it has a block that's lower. Excuse me, a block that's lower and 2 blocks that are higher on each side. And I'm talking right here. This thing. I have a feeling that's going to be different on the other ones. Let's see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tablets. So what tablet are we missing? Nope, that one's the same. So maybe it's not a different thing. Run back over here. Oh. This one is different. It's more like an arrow. Okay. That makes more sense. This one represents a bit more of an arrow shape. Not by much, but okay, and then this one has 3 of these shapes. While we're in this moment of uncertainty, let's go ahead and say a quick thank you to all the people who make this possible. My Legacy historians, Tony Allen and Sean Hammond, and my Dorka historians and Early Access historians who get early access to all of my videos. It'd mean a lot if you hit that join button and became one of them. The benefit, you get to see early access to each individual video before it goes out to the public. You get to leave comments before anybody else. Offer your hints and your advice before anybody else sees it. And most importantly, if I've made several of these videos in a row, like I absolutely have, these 3 last videos that you've watched here were all made on the same day. Well, it might have been 2 days apart, but they are so close together that I'm not going to have time to read public comments. But if you're early access, you get to leave your comment and be a part of the gameplay and help me make decisions on what to do next and be one of the historians of the channel and be one of the historians of all the wonderful games that we play together. So it would mean a lot to me. It helps me support my family because this is part of my full-time job. I am a graphic designer, caricature artist, cartoonist, but I would love to make doing this with you guys more of the main thing and not just a part of what I'm doing. And you can do that by hitting that join button and helping me by supporting me financially. All right. What's next? Okay, against my better judgment, I'm wondering if I shouldn't try to raise the floor back up. The argument that's going through my head right now is that he might have said the word fans. If Winchester... I'm just realizing... This is a rather stupid thought, but... When we met Yisha, we were basically in the core of Dunny. Down, deep, underground. When she transferred us, we ended up in the sky, in the sun, and we were directed by Ether, or Escher, back into the ground. So the premise would be we need to take each one of those stones deeper into the ground to get to that main tablet. And I find it interesting that I'm stuck without those tablets right now. There's nothing else I can really do at this moment. So I'm beginning to wonder if I need to randomly grab one of those tablets and walk around with it up here, and maybe their power activates something? Has the ability to do something that I'm unaware of, maybe? I rather doubt it, because I haven't found anything, any kind of source that would actually utilize it. The other thing is... I see. If you hit 1, 2, 3, that's how you switch your cursor options. Okay, whatever. If I grab this tablet and I pull it out of here, that looks pretty bright. Whoa. Is that blinking? Oh yeah, it's blinking. That's not freaky. Yeesh. Whoa. You want it? You want the tablet? That's not freaky at all. Oh boy. Literally kind of sends some chills down my back. That's weird. It's a video game, dude. Chill out. I mean, you gotta ask yourself, what is this tablet supposed to be? I'm assuming it's supposed to be a source of power that we're supposed to use somehow. And I'm assuming we're looking for some kind of a stand that looks very much like the ones that they're already sitting on. Well, I'm going to return this tablet back to its original place of origin. And I'm going to need some help. You guys know what to do. Leave me a comment. Let me know what the next step is. And if you can try to make it in a not-so-spoilery fashion, then go for it. Give me some tips or theories on how to solve this. But yeah, I'm a little stuck at the moment, not really sure how to continue. I feel like we've kind of hit the main point where there's not really much other direction to go. Oh! 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 Well, that wasn't what I expected at all. Still gotta stop here, but, yeah. Keep it crispy. First Tim 412, you know what to do. And, I'll see you in the next episode. This got very interesting very quickly. Oh boy. Oh boy.